Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Nadia Rajput from Desi TV USA. Let's have a look at the special report. University of Karachi Alumni Houston Association Annual Gala, a prestigious celebration of knowledge. On January 31st, the Mayor of Houston and the Mayor of Sugarland officially declared the day as University of Karachi Alumni Day. A memorable evening of education and service unfolded in Houston when the University of Karachi Alumni Houston Association Annual Gala held its annual gala at the Elite Hall Karachi restaurant. The event was more than a ceremony. It was a reaffirmation of a collective commitment. The hall was completely sold out and additional tables had to be arranged for late arrivals. Scholarships and community support from the outset. University of Karachi Alumni Houston Association Annual Gala President Azam Akhtar highlighted that typically 65 students receive around 2.5 million PKR in scholarships each year. However, given the current economic conditions, there was an urgent need to increase support for deserving students. This year, the target was set to provide scholarships to 150 students. With the enthusiastic participation of attendees, not only was this target achieved, but additional support was also made possible. Azim Akhtar emphasized that the organization's focus has always been solely on scholarships and resources are delivered directly to the students. A highly prestigious part of the event was the lamplight ceremony. University of Karachi Alumni Houston Association Annual Gala directors lit candles in sequence representing donors, sponsors, and community supporters. One candle passed its light to the next, eventually reaching a student. This powerful symbolism reflected how the community's combined efforts illuminate the future of students. The ceremony received extraordinary appreciation from the audience. Another highlight was a documentary showcasing the 2025 scholarship event, including reflections from students who received scholarships. A special message from Vice Chancellor Dr. Khalid Iraqi of the University of Karachi was shown, thanking the Houston founders, donors, and sponsors. In addition, a video message from former Pakistan cricket captain Sarfaraz Ahmed praised the Houston community's educational efforts and encouraged further fundraising. The documentary left a lasting impact on the attendees and contributed significantly to the fundraising efforts. Proclamations and honors. University of Karachi Alumni Houston Association Annual Gala was officially presented a proclamation from the city of Houston recognizing its dedication to education. Following this, Carol McKitchen, Mayor of Sugarland, personally attended and presented a proclamation from Sugarland. During the evening, State Representative Dr. Suleiman Lalani praised the continuity of education and scholarships and shared his thoughts. The Consul General of Pakistan, Mr. Aftab Chaudhary, attended the event and spoke highly of University of Karachi Alumni Houston Association Annual Gala and especially Azam Akhtar for their dedicated work. He stated that the organization serves not only its alma mater but also Pakistan as a whole. Community Elder A.J. Durrani was honored with a Lifetime Achievement Award for his contributions. During the fundraising segment, attendees actively participated at Turkish Airlines Anywhere in the World. Ticket was auctioned and purchased by Jamil Durrani for $1,500. At the end of this segment, University of Karachi Alumni Houston Association Annual Gala directors presented a choral rendition of Lab Pe Aati Hai Dua, creating a spiritual and serene atmosphere in the hall. The evening continued with light entertainment and a beautiful musical show, keeping the audience engaged until late. Finally, the delicious and high-quality cuisine from Karachi restaurant provided a delightful conclusion to this memorable evening. Special thanks were extended to the President, Secretary, Directors and all board members of University of Karachi Alumni Houston Association Annual Gala, whose tireless efforts, continuous meeting, planning and personal time made the program exemplary and prestigious. Their active presence until the final day was proof that this was not just an event but a mission carried out with utmost sincerity. The gala symbolized the ongoing commitment to spreading the light of knowledge and turning the dream of deserving students into reality.
सबकी भी और थोड़ी तहसील की भी चीजें बताई जाए और जब वो बच्चे वापस आते हैं 10 दिन के बाद, and I've been doing it for 10 years now, माशाल्लाह, कि जब वापस आते हैं तो they are changed, completely changed, they become so humble. जब माँ बाप आके आपके सामने रोते कि आपने 10 दिन में मेरे बच्चे को क्या कर दिया, they are so humble now. तो बोलने का मेरा सिर्फ ये है कि that's what I do, so I'm happy. Same thing is education, कि बच्चे जिनको एजुकेशन मिल रही है, आप सोचें कि कितनी दुआएं मिल रही हैं सबको, तो आप अपने बच्चों को सिखाएं देना, भले जो भी अमाउंट हो देना सिखाएं. थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू.
To close out the evening, and then we will be happy to feed you, inshallah. Just the uncle, please join us up here.
इन लोगों ने यहाँ प्रोग्राम को स्पॉन्सर किया और जिन लोगों ने बढ़ चढ़ कर हिस्सा अदा किया, उनका मैं शुक्रिया अदा करूँ. सबसे पहले सैयद जावेद अनवर, मिडलैंड एनर्जी, मिस्टर फरोज निसानी, मिस्टर रसूल रूपानी फाउंडेशन, इलियास बेग, मोहम्मद सईद शेख, मोहम्मद इलियास चौधरी, हेल्पिंग हैंड, अब्दुल रऊफ खान, बाबा, रहमान पटेल, मारफानी फाउंडेशन, मिस्टर एजाज काजी, मिस्टर काशिफ अंसारी. ख्याल से जितने भी लोग यहाँ मौजूद हैं उन सबको ये नज़्म याद होगी. हमने बचपने में अपने स्कूल के ज़माने में प्राइमरी स्कूल में ये पढ़ी थी. अगर आप सब लोग भी मेरा
Alright, can we have a clap for him? Jamil bhai ke liye, he's a very good singer. 1500, who wants to give me 2000? Anybody? Sir, 2000? No, ये लोग तो सब business class में हैं. जमील भाई को देख लें आप ये.
I know this guy for about 20 years.
Allied sign मैंने 3 दफा नाम ले लिया. It's 3 donuts. So we already have 1100, 1200, 1200. Nasir 1300. Where is he? We're doing it for charity, not for you. Nasir, किधर है नासिर भाई? Larger. 1200. यार आप 1500 दे दो, ले लो. इन लोगों ने मुझे 50 और 100 के बीच में विजिट किया हुआ है यार. बिजनेस क्लास 1500 में लोगे? थोड़ा हाथ पकड़ रही है भाई. No, we cannot promise something that we don't know. 50 पिछले सालों से मैं अभी लास्ट महीने उनके से आया और टर्किश एयरलाइंस. अच्छा टर्किश एयरलाइन, अच्छा टिकट ओके. सिर्फ कराची. It's an open ticket.
This is an open ticket from Turkish Airlines, flying anywhere in the world. Anywhere you want to go, one ticket. Economy class, one ticket. Let's start the auction. How much you want to pay for it? Anywhere in the world. Let's say, for example, if you go to Pakistan, the price is like $1,000. Let's start with $1,000. Who wants to pay $1,000? Open ticket, Turkish Airlines. Anywhere in the world they fly. Anywhere in the world. You want to go to Europe, Australia, Middle East, anywhere. It's $1,000. Let's start with $1,000. Anybody $1,000? Anybody? This light is too much, please.
All right, Saeed. आपको पता है पाकिस्तान
मेहरबानी होगी। बहुत शुक्रिया। थोड़ी सी मैं गुजारिश करूंगा कि अगर ये बातचीत कर रहे हैं तो प्लीज ये बंद कर दें। प्लीज थोड़ी सी गुफ्तगू को बंद कर दें। बड़ा मेहरबानी, आपकी बड़ी मेहरबानी होगी।
मुझे याद है आपको लब पे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना जिंदगी मजाक कर रहा हूं ऐसे मेरी दूर दुनिया का मेरे
वो था 25,000 आदमी
उजाला हो जाए वो मेरे दम से यही मेरे वतन की जीनत जिस तरह फूल से होती है चमन की जीनत जिंदगी हो मेरी परवान की सूरत यार इल्म की शम्मा से मुझको हो मोहब्बत यार वो मेरा काम गरीबों की हिमायत करना दर्दमंदों से ज़ईफ़ों से मोहब्बत करना मेरे अल्लाह हर बुराई से बचाना मुझको मेरे अंतिम हो उसी राह पे चलाना मुझको।
थैंक यू। और अब मैं गुजारिश करूंगा कि ख़वातीन पहले खाने की तरफ अगर देख लें।
मीन टाइम बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया मीडिया कराची रेस्टोरेंट का जिन्होंने अर्जेंट नोटिस पे हमें ये जगह मुहैया की। मीडिया के जनाब महमूद अहमद साहब, जमील सिद्दीकी, शमीम भाई, कामरान भाई बैठे हैं और जाफर भाई, रुबाब साहब, मीडिया के लोग, उन लोगों का भी बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। जमील दुरानी का इंटरटेनमेंट का प्रोग्राम होगा इसके बाद। आप लोग खाने के बाद तशरीफ रखें और इंशाल्लाह बहुत सारा
खुदा 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 कहते हैं। अच्छा जी, आज हमारे साथ एक बड़े अच्छे सिंगर हैं। 1963 में ये जो दुनिया में मुकाबला हुआ था उसमें उनको नहीं बुलाया गया था और उनको सबसे आखिरी प्राइज दिया गया था। खैर तो वो आज हमारे दरमियान में मौजूद हैं। उनका नाम है फरहान जफर। आइए सर जी अपने मन का गुजारा करेंगे।
और थोड़ी नसीहत की भी चीज़ें बताई जाए। और जब वो बच्चे वापस आते हैं 10 दिन के बाद, I've been doing it for 10 years now, माशाल्लाह, कि जब वापस आते हैं तो they are changed, completely changed, they become so humble। जब माँ बाप आके आपके सामने रोते कि आपने 10 दिन में मेरे बच्चे को क्या कर दिया, they are so humble now। तो बोलने का मेरा सिर्फ ये है कि that's what I do, so I'm happy। Same thing is education, कि ये बच्चे जिनको एजुकेशन मिल रही है, आप सोचें कि कितनी दुआएं मिल रही हैं सबको। तो आप अपने बच्चों को सिखाएं देना, भले जो भी अमाउंट हो देना सिखाएं। थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
That's all for now. Keep watching Desi TV USA. Please like, subscribe, share and comment, and don't forget to watch our channels DTV, NN and Desi Urdu TV.